So we started off with plans to go to the Oak in Laguna. However, that didn't work out because when we got there, they were out of several items on the menu, which is crazy. So now we are at the Cliff, which is also amazing as well. We've actually been here before, but the ambiance is amazing. It's right on the water, so we will be enjoying that. It's very much like similar to like a downtown Long Beach shoreline village type of feel. There's a lot of like little like stands and little stores that people are selling things like jewelry and handmade items out of. So it's kind of cool. Did you get your own chef? I just want to go somewhere and have my own chef.
What it is?
Ceviche, shrimp ceviche. Hubby's not having any because he doesn't like it, which means more for me. Oh my god, so yummy. I love fresh ceviche.
I forgot.
Okay, so this Negro. So we have a triple layer chocolate cake here. He didn't already taken a bite. I told him to wait, but he didn't wait.
I didn't bite it. It's still right here.
It don't matter. It messed up the whole aesthetics of what I'm trying to take here.
I'll put it back, y'all.
Wow, no.
Booyah.
Wow.
Like new. Oh, like new.
It looks disabled.
Boom.
That's fine.
Like new.
Okay, it's not like new, but that's okay. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. I have a vanilla latte because it is freezing out here. Even though it's nice and sunny, there is a huge breeze. But look at that sky.
It's not freezing. She got anemia.
No, actually I don't. You're wrong. So this is that I have is bread pudding bites. So these are little bites of bread pudding. And then it looks like there's like a vanilla sauce and a chocolate sauce for you to dip them in. So I will let you guys know how it goes. Oh, look at how cute. There's also a little sugar candy stir for you to stir your latte with. Look how adorable and cute that is.